In this guide, we will explore how to easily integrate Ostorlab autonomous security testing for Android and iOS mobile apps to your GitLab build process. The first step is to generate a new API key. In your organization dashboard, click the menu button. Next, click Library to expand, and choose API keys. From here, click New. Copy the API key. You can also add a name and an expiry date to your key. Don't forget to click the Save button to save your key. Once you have generated your API, the next step is creating a GitLab CI pipeline. Here's an example you can use. For the required environment variables, there is Ostorlab API key, which is the key we created previously. Ostorlab file path, which is the path to the file we want to scan. It can be an Android APK or iOS EPA. Ostorlab platform, which is the platform of the file we want to scan. It can be Android or iOS. For the optional environment variables, there is Ostorlab plan, which is the plan we want to use. It can be free for community scans or static dynamic backend for full analysis. Ostorlab title, which is the title of the scan. Ostorlab wait for results, which is a boolean to specify if we want to wait for the scan to finish and retrieve the result. Ostorlab wait minutes, which is the number of minutes to wait. The default is 30 minutes. Ostorlab break build on score, which is a boolean to specify if we want to generate an exception if the scan risk rating is higher than the threshold. Ostorlab risk threshold, which is the risk rating threshold. To add environment variables in GitLab pipeline, navigate to Settings, then CI/CD, and then jump to Variables section to add environment variables for your pipeline as following. After that, you can see that the variable is added to the list of variables. Once the job is done, if you choose to wait for the scan result and break if the risk rating is higher than the threshold, then the job might fail if its risk rating is equal or higher than the threshold. Otherwise, the job will succeed with a line indicating the scan risk rating. This guide covered the steps required to effectively and easily integrate Ostorlab autonomous security testing for Android and iOS mobile apps to your GitLab build process.